FA.
In a really short time I can make say, hey man, don't you ever stop, cause literally I spit the flames that will burn you non-stop. And if he drops, then wait, may lyrics, all the enemies will be chopped. Matter of fact, I don't even know what I am, but all that's in my head is hip-hop. Hit him with a huge amount of depression straight to the mind that will make say fuck my life. You click on previous to rewind. This song I'm not signed, who the hell needs it when I'm someone divine? Don't you ever underestimate me, I just did a favor to the mankind. Now my kid, that's what not me become true, but you know that shit happens. Imagine the world being in your head, you can spread your assassins of the captain, so I might wanna mimic me even the bad habits called fashion. Better than getting ass raided with my cannons. Quit yapping, let me finish spinning these bars. I got more of them than a prison. Lock you up, bitch, so far I go hard, and I got FA with me close like a scar. Call on fabulous, saying I'm known as razor so bizarre. You still stand, it seems you got some hope left in you. I didn't have a clue. Screw it, boy, you really make me spew. You have my word that you will disappear in the very next few seconds, along with the ending of the song with no preview.